Is old car rest in peace or it outlast us all?
Patrick's Garage.
Grab your snack, welcome back. And as we know, old cars, cars in 60s have unlimited longevity. You can maintain them endless period of time. You can maintain them if you take care of them. Yes, they can last forever if they not rusty, if they living not in the north where they go on the salt surface, they they spend all winters in the garage also can be a very good option for cars to extend their longevity not using cars in the winter, so they really can outlast their owners. Their simplicity, you can maintain them, you can repair them, they're not so complex as modern cars, and they made out from more quality materials. Old cars was more better, they are more dependable, they made out from good steel. This is still not so fast rusting out. This a little bit surface of rust also as a protection from another corrosion. Outrageous corrosion can be on. This is metal like tins. Probably they using this metal on the tins, like this metal in the modern cars. Yes, I'm really admired by Toyotas, but I remember when I was in a wreck on my Toyota, so I go on the highway and then strange Mercedes Benz. I can't understand. Probably this driver was exhausted, so he doing these outrageous movements. And I remember after this wreck, my front fender was absolutely in the next day was coated with a surface of rust and it was damaged. It was teared metal on the front fender of Toyota. And Mercedes, old Mercedes was don't care, it was a rusty Mercedes. So my Toyota was damaged a lot. So this is modern metal even in Toyotas. Yes, they can replace if your car under warranty. They can replace the frame. In some models Toyotas they replace the frame under warranty. Without any problems. But after warranty all these problems with body under your dollar will be you, so you pay on all these damages like in modern cars. Engines not so reliable. I remember this crappy Volkswagen which burn oil. This Volkswagen burns oil all the time, and I can't understand why this so small engine was with this turbo, so it burns oil. What they say, this is turbo burning oil, but after warranty, you should replace piston rings, repair this engine. So let's continue about old cars. Yes, they can outlast their owners. Unfinished projects which can be extended to years to decades. They continue repairing their car they don't want. This is annoying for them, so they decided to sort unfinished project. I bought my 1972 model 140 series as unfinished project, body in good condition, so frame was also in good condition. Yes, a little bit cracks under the front, on the front, on the firewall, little bit cracks, a little bit tear from the body, frame and body in modern cars like in this 140 series, 240 series, body and frame welded together. We should protect our body from rust because we can't separate them, we can't replace body, we can't replace frame. As you know, I replaced the engine completely, but truly say engine was separate, engine head and block and crankshaft was disassembled completely. So, to continue driving, I decided to put another engine from 240 series, also B20 engine, but crankshaft with a metric size crankshaft. Also, latest B20s was with metric crankshaft sizes, so you can use pistons from 240 series earliest models for B20 with only with metric crankshaft. So strange decision to put metric crankshaft for B20 engines. Now, if you really like my videos, please share it with your friends. And you know, main thing to fight with rust and protect the body from rust and keep it gone forever. There is no rust on the surface. You know, little bit rust can protect the metal from extension of corrosion. Little surface of rust, not a big deal, just superficial rust. I'm not afraid superficial rust on steering rods, you know, on the suspension parts, also all of coated with superficial rust. Just superficial rust, this is nothing. Probably on the frame. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell, so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing. Volvo knows how to coat the body with zinc. Coat them with zinc primer. They're using zinc primer on the factory to protect their bodies from the rust. And this is really dangerous when we start grinding the surface of body. You know, this is poisoned powder. Zinc, powder of zinc, very dangerous to breath. Zinc turns into impalpable poisonous powder. You can't see this powder, impalpable powder. You can't touch this powder. You can't see this powder. So the zinc powder, very dangerous. And this work with body can be deadly dangerous moment during Volvo restoration. So you not grinding the body in the garage will be go out, protect your breath with mask, probably do not breathe this poisonous zinc powder. And as you know, zinc powder hardly perceptible, you can't see this powder. Also, like when we're working with old engines which using gasoline with lead, you know, this powder of remnants of this lead what was in the gasoline in olden days. This lead also very dangerous, so avoid to breathe this crap which inside the engine in the cylinders. This dust very dangerous from the engines when we working, not breathe this dust. And yes, if you breathe the crap when you're repairing car, you breathe this dust with poisonous powder, probably in this case 100% car outlast you. That is true. Not doubting, really. There is no arguing. If you breathe dust, this powder, poisonous powder with lead, with zinc, car outlast you. Now, if you want to say anything about this topic, please do in the comments box. And I think a lot of guys will be interesting about your thoughts, including me. And I'll answer to your message as soon as I finish to smoking my cigar.